Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and we're back in Atlantic City on the Boardwalk and we're going to check out the Resorts Hotel and Casino today. Resorts was the first casino hotel in Atlantic City, becoming the first legal casino outside of Nevada in the United States when it opened May 26, 1978. This place underwent renovations several years ago, giving it a Roaring Twenties theme, so let's step inside and see what it looks like. As soon as you walk in from the Boardwalk into Resorts Hotel and Casino, you come across the sports book on the right-hand side. And on the left when you come in is a Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville Cafe as well as a Margaritaville gift shop. There's also another Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville beach bar as well as cafe on the beach, and we'll check those out near the end of this video. So, as I mentioned just a little while ago, back in October 2010, a plan was revealed to transform the resort into a Roaring Twenties theme. The rebranding capitalized on the success of the HBO series Boardwalk Empire, and changes accentuate the resort's existing Art Deco design. The changes were also incorporated into the 1920s era uniforms for employees as well as music from the time period pumped throughout the hotel and casino. The casino also introduced drinks and shows reminiscent of the period. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Now we're entering into a food court area here at Resorts, and on the left we have a Ruby's Dinette with burgers and hot dogs and fries and shakes. A Dunkin' Donuts and a Bubbaco's Burritos. Haagen-Dazs and a Familia Pizzeria. Hello, pizza lady. And as we turn the corner here, we come across the Resorts Hotel and Casino registration area. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Coming up here is the first legal slot machine in Atlantic City, and I guess outside of Nevada, which was installed on the Resorts International's casino floor in 1978. You can see it can be identified as the first slot machine by the number 1 on the lower right hand side of the cabinet. Since that time, nearly 14,000 different slot machines have filtered through the casino floor. And as we leave the registration area, we're going to make a left and head towards the shopping area, the shopping corridor of the Resorts Hotel and Casino. And I think more than any area of the hotel and casino, you can definitely see that Art Deco Roaring 20s influence here. Some of the shops you'll find here at resorts include AKA Men's Store, Essentials, Margaritaville and Landshark retail shops, Jersey Devil Surf Shop, A Time for Wine, Lick, a candy store, and Marshall Rousseau. We're going to head upstairs now to check out the showroom as well as more restaurants, and on the way we pass these cement handprint slabs that used to be in front of the hotel and casino. Wayne Newton, Diana Ross, and Barry Manilow. Hold on tight. And while we're on this ride, a shout out to Wise Malik and Aunt Love Forever, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my last 2 Las Vegas videos. Congratulations, guys. And upstairs we find some more cement slabs from celebrities, including Liberace, Aretha Franklin, Ray Charles, Bob Newhart. These are all by the Superstar Theater where all of these artists once performed. And as we head to the other side, on the other side of the Superstar Theater, we have Frank Sinatra, Tony Orlando, Jerry Seinfeld, Anne Margaret, Kenny Rogers, and Perry Como. I'm not sure why these were removed from the sidewalk in front of the hotel, but they're going to stay in much better shape preserved up here, I guess. And by the way, if you haven't noticed, the monitors next to them show the actual stars putting their handprints in the cement. Check out the NewYorkVegas.com link in the description below. If you're planning a trip to Las Vegas, you could save up to 50% on hotels, restaurants, shows, and attractions. And as we head towards the escalators where we came up, there's some restaurants up here as well as a couple of bars. Most of the bars are downstairs. They include 5 O'Clock Somewhere, Bar 1, Cielo Wine Bar, Landshark Bar and Grill, Margaritaville, Wet Willie's, DraftKings Sports Bar. There's a big casino lounge. And don't forget the big Margaritaville Beach Bar outside. We'll check that out in a couple moments. Some of the fine dining you'll find here at resorts include Capriccio Italian Restaurant, Doherty's Steakhouse and Raw Bar, East Wind, Makushi Sushi Bar, and Cielo Wine Bar. Hold on tight. Back downstairs, we're going to go out to the boardwalk the way we came in. You see the sports book straight ahead. And on the right here we have the Margaritaville gift shop. Right next door to that is the Margaritaville Cafe. Then we're going to head outside, cross the boardwalk, and head over to the Landshark Bar and Grill. And they say this town's going to the birds. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.